Top of the morning, everybody. It is a great day to be in the garage and try to get some more headway done on our Camaro, because we're doing quite well. We've got it running pretty good. I think I gotta get some vacuum hoses though. They're all pretty rotten and I'm finding I still got vacuum leaks. We'll come back to that. Today, I want to start dealing with these struts because I did take it for a little ride and it bounces miserably. I got to do the rear shocks also. The rear shocks though are going to suck because they're easy to disconnect there. But to get to them up top, I actually have to pull the interior out. So we're going to start with the front. Let's see if we can get those struts changed out. I'm going to open up a box, check them out. And I'm just going to get on it. Here we go. Pitter patter. Alright, we've gotten our two bolts out, which has freed this up, which sort of terrifies the hell out of me, to be honest with you. There we go. Okay, we're going to move up top and get this thing done up here. Here we go. I don't know, can you guys see alright? Alright, you know what? I'm going to put you up top here and let you guys look. Can you see what I got to do right here? It's pretty clear. Alright. Okay, here goes this side. Okay, I'm gonna move these in and shimmy this bad boy out of here. Let's go. What do we got? All right. Sweet. Let's grab the new one. And we're going to make the fatal mistake that we all do and unthread it. All right. Okay, look, sweet. I'm going to stick this in. We'll tighten her up. Alright, I'm actually not going to lie. I did not think it would go quite as smoothly as it did. But as you see, we've got it locked and loaded. Tighten down up top, we'll put a cap on. I think while I'm in this corner though, I'm going to see if I can change, there it is, those sway bar links, because they are just nasty. So, guys, we're winning. One side, we're 25% done on the suspension. So this bad boy, she's pretty rusty. So I think I'm going to skip the whole trying to take it apart nicely, and I'm just going to redneckery it right off. That was probably the most ridiculous way to get a sway bar link off ever. But you know what? We got it. And I mean, don't do it my way. Do it the right way. Okay, let's see. What do we got? Is there a difference in the part numbers on these bad boys? 5252, 5252. Okay. Let's put a new one on, shall we? Look at that, guys. We're like coming along here. What I actually might do is pull these brake pins off, caliper pins off, clean them up and lube them, put them back on, and then call this side done. That's kind of what I'm thinking about doing. And then I can actually put a friggin' tire on it. How cool would that be? And then duplicate the other side and call the front end done. Okay. I always like to spray a little stuff here, lube on it, because that way it keeps it just a little quieter. Just a little quieter. Okay, oops. Wrong way, this way. Alright, a cup. A sleeve. Oh, we're gonna have some trouble here. I have to pry that up, I guess. All right. Let's see, my bar long enough to do the job? Come on. Give me the leverage. Oh, yeah. Fling. Let me get a longer bar. Do. I think I dropped a bushing. Alright, we'll find it. We'll find it. Just a minute. Let's get that on there. Crowbar. That'll give me the leverage I want. Let's tuck that bad boy up in there. There we go. Ta-da! Oh my God, Lord, where did I drop that bushing? Did you guys see it? Where did it fall? Oh, it's right here. Thank you. Put that one on. Is that all the way up? No, it's not. Well, let's get it all the way up there. Where's my little bar? My little bar. Come on. Gosh darn it. Let's get up in there, really? Let's see. Oh. These work better with batteries in them. Just saying. All right, let me get a tool. All right, let's see if we can snug this bad boy up. Ta-da! Victory is ours! Oh. All right, I'm going to turn the wheel. I want to check them brake pins. See what we got. Oh, like Batman. What do we got here? Big Allens. All right, let's see what we can find. Maybe it's a 3/8. Fine, half the car is metric, and then the other half of the car is imperial. All right, that'll work. That'll do, that'll do. Let's see. Oh, wow, that was actually surprising. Okay, let's try the bottom one. Are we going to be just as lucky? Oh, look at that. That is awesome. Okay, let's get this other one off. We'll clean them up, put them back in. Stand by. All right, look at that. Nice, clean. Now we're just gonna turn into the Tin Man here. Put some anti-seize all over this so that they move, right? All right, sweet. Sweet, sweet. There. Dirt and gunk. Okay, let's get the other one. There we go. Stick that one in. Get some more clumps of crap out of there. Okay, I had a rag. Where did I put my rag? Oh, right there. Alright, I'm going to zip these on. I'm not quite sure. I mean, I think the rotors definitely need a turning. I have lots of friction material on the pads. I kind of hate spending money on stuff that still has life in it. So I'm going to wait before I start changing that stuff out. But I'm pretty stoked about this. So I'm not going to bore you guys and video me doing the other side because it's just the same crap. And you guys have seen this and you guys I'll probably know how to do it better than I do. And you don't really care. So I'm going to just get back to you once I'm all done. We have been successful. Ta-da! We've got both sides, struts replaced, sway bar links, and brake pins lubed. Now, you saw the passenger side, it went pretty good. Oh, what do I got here? I'll have to pop that back on. Oh, there we go. That one went real good. You watched me debacle, you know, lesson learned. I messed around with that sway bar link, cutting and grinding and hacking. And I mean, don't do it my way. Like, it was dumb. I mean, really dumb. Because when I got onto this side and I was starting to work on it, it dawned on me, like, what are you doing? So what I did was, on this side, on the driver's side, I put a pair of vice grips on the main shaft, and then I put a wrench on the top nut, snap, put a wrench on the bottom, snap. It took me 3 minutes. But the top of the strut, on the other hand, that did not go well. I ended up having to, you see that? I ended up having to cut the big nut off in order to release the pressure to get that to come off. It didn't take long, but I was successful. So there we go, guys. Look at that. Nice new strut, sway bar link, lubricated brake pins. So again, the brake rotors, they need to be turned, but I'm not sure if you can see. Let me get a flashlight here. Like, it is dirty, but I got lots of friction material, both sides. I don't know if you can see in there. So, like, I'm not changing them. I think they're good. All right, what we're gonna do now, move on to the back. Now, like I showed you earlier, the back's gonna be a bit of a challenge because the bottom's pretty easy to do. However, the top involves me taking some of the interior out, which really isn't a bad thing, because once that interior is out, I'm gonna actually leave it out because we're gonna do some fun stuff after. We're gonna put a little music in the car. Anyways, I'm gonna say ciao for now. I hope you guys have a great day, and again, tell your friends to subscribe.